Time now for some common sense. Traders are concerned about that new strand of COVID known as the Delta variant. It is spreading quickly across the globe and it's causing the markets to become more volatile. Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group, is here to make some sense of the Delta variant and your portfolio. Craig, what do you have for us today?
That's right, Angela. The fact that a new strain of the coronavirus, what we refer to as the Delta variant, has been spreading across continents has not been lost on the mind of investors, because we've seen many shareholders, all shapes and sizes, doing some indiscriminate selling, what I call the wholesale dumping of stocks, on a couple of days over the last several weeks. Now, anybody in the markets is going to acknowledge that the Delta variant has an alarming uptick relative to the number of coronavirus cases, but as investors, we need to stay focused, because dumping large portions of your portfolio, especially on days when the Dow is getting whacked, well, that's just never the right thing to do.
Craig, as you know, it's never a good plan to panic. What are your suggestions for investors?
Well, Angela, number one, let me repeat what I said earlier. On days when the market gets punched in the gut, let's resist the temptation to unload or make large changes to our portfolios. You don't want to be selling into weakness, rather always try to sell into strength. And number two, let's use the volatility. Let's use the headlines as a catalyst to do what all investors should be doing anyway, which is to review their asset allocation relative to their goals. After all, the stock market's been on a tremendous run, and investors might very well find that stocks make up a bigger part of their overall portfolio than their financial plan dictated or warranted. And if that's the case, use some strength, use some updates to sell a little bit of stock to bring your risk profile back to where it deserves to be. And then number three, have a shopping list. For whatever reason, stocks are the only things that Americans don't like to buy on sale. But when you have a shopping list and you know what you're looking for and at what price you're willing to pay, you're more likely to act on it. And I still believe a buy the dips mentality is where investors want to be, given we have this wall of stimulus, this wall of money still working its way through the system. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. If you want to learn more, you can. Check out our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.